according to me, a relationship is how much you feel connected with a person. Is like one we show our feelings from above only. One is from heart. By heart, it should be connected.
And what is heart and what is mind? Is there a difference? The difference between the heart and the mind, do we know it? We use these terms quite often. You know that my heart says that I want to do this. I really feel like doing this. My heart wants to do this. My mind wants to do this. What's the difference? I mean, what's the difference between the heart and the mind?
The answer for the question is two, either right or wrong. And we say that our mind is right and our heart is wrong.
But what's the mind and what's the heart? See, understand this carefully. The mind is where we think from. We speak from. Where does this happen? In the brain. Heart means the very center of our brain. The very core of our being. That is called the heart. Otherwise, you'll tend to keep making these random stories in your head. I mean, there's going to be something happening in the head, there's chemicals being released, and you think you're in love. There's something happening in my heart, there isn't. There's dopamine being released. Huh? Understood? After we see someone, and we think that's love. So what is the deepest level of your being, where the entire game starts, without which there's nothing? Can you see? That is heart. And once that happens, that is a connection, that is a relationship, that is love. And if it's not that, it's useless. It's just for show. It's fake. You're itching, I'm itching, you scratch my back, I scratch yours, that's it. That's all it is. So what is the center of your being? All your dreams, all your desires, your likes, your dislikes, your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts. What's the center of it all? From where all of this begins? Heart is then the same thing. Is it physical or... What is the heart? It's that single letter in the alphabet from where the entire game starts. I. That is heart. The person who is in this definition of your I, that relationship is firmed. It can never break. It's inside them. So they're inside your heart. What is it between a mother and a child? A mother and a child. Have you ever thought about it? The mother doesn't even know if the child the nurse has brought is hers or not. Does she know? Can't they get swapped like in the movies? Let's say they were swapped, the child. And then the nurse gave the child to her, but she doesn't know. But once the baby's in her arms, she won't feel it. She will. She will. How do you feel? Try and understand this carefully. The mother has only accepted it. Actually, there's no proof at all. You've only accepted that your parents are your parents. Do you have any proof at all? Then, accepting is the game. Mine, meaning once they're in the definition of I. So that mother has only accepted it, that this is my child. She doesn't know. She only trusts the doctors and the nurse that they haven't made a mistake. Once the baby's in her arms, she starts crying. My child. And the child will get everything in life. Did you understand? Yes. There are places where love just happens, and others where you have to love. In an arranged marriage, you have to love. Love doesn't happen. Between a mother and child, love already exists. So whenever we do something, when we do something, we fall also. That's why they say, you fall in love. And if you fall, you will get hurt. That's what's happening with people. You might even break up. But a mother and child never break up. So what's happening if you can understand carefully? The mother's definition of I, meaning her heart, the center point, the center of her being. The child is a part of that. Meaning the child is the heart of the heart. So love exists there. You don't have to try. You don't have to make an effort to love there. Do you have to try to love yourself, or do you love yourself?
It happens.
Even the people who commit suicide, they don't do it because they hate themselves. They love themselves. Meaning they're in love with their own happiness. Because I can't get that happiness, I choose suicide. Was this too deep?
Yes.
You understand, right?
Yes.
So he's dying because of the love for himself. He loves himself so much that if he didn't get it, what he wanted, but if you give it to him then he won't jump. Is that not so? So, what we love most in this world is us. This is our heart. So, until you say, I love you, there's nothing. These are just stories. But the moment this you is a part of the I, then there's only love. I and you doesn't exist. So then, if the center of your being, if that definition includes that person, whoever your life partner is, then that person is inside your own heart.